Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and welcome back to BJ's Technology new video. So I have a lots of video, but I cannot edit this video, and I have not decided to upload this video soon. It's because I'm trying to making series video like for RouteNote or international music distribution site, that how can you get your artist channel or your song you can already release or etc more than something. So I'm just trying that discuss matter. So for this reason I can't upload this video, and I don't have a time, lots of time, that I edit these videos and making something good and better. So just as much as have get time, and I'm trying to upload this series. It's because I have seen that lots of Bangladeshis viewer have attraction about this, but it has not this facilities that any Bangladeshi YouTuber not discuss this matter. They are not making video about this matter. So for this reason I'm decided that I make this video about this. So hopefully these videos will be very important video, and it will be help you if you are an artist like me. So if you wanna release your song, if you wanna publish your song worldwide, it will be help you. So you can tell me that why you making this video in English language. Yeah, I'm making video both language, Bangla and English, and most probably this video, after the finishing this video, I'm making this video in Bangla language, and I'll upload this video in Bangla channel. So um just working two languages, Bangla and English, and I have a desire to create a channel in Arabic language when I'm good at Arabic. Okay, maybe it will be very soon when I'll be good at Arabic like in English or Bangla. Guys, so if you think about that, you wanna release your song worldwidely. So what do you wanna do? What you can do for this? Okay, so firstly you have to create you have to figure out that some of international music distribution sites. For example, I'm using RouteNote. It's cause it's so much easy and it's free for releasing your song. So when you are earning money, they will give you 85% money from 85% revenue what you have earned from your song, and 15% they will took from you. So I don't need money. It's cause I don't want to earn money from any social media apps. So it's cause it has a biggest reason. In the next I'll try to discuss. So whatever. And so if you want to earn money, it's here is the two facilities. You can release your song uh, you can release your song paid version or non-paid. So if you release your song non-paid, they will took what I have said a couple of minutes ago, that is, they will took 15% and they will give you 85%. So that's it, or something not. And if you release your song with paid version, they will give you whole of the money what how much you earn from your song. Okay, so whatever. So firstly you have to figure out any international music distributor site. So when you got distributor site, you have to create an account. So if you don't know that how to create a RouteNote account, so I have already made a video about this. So most probably this video language Bangla or English. If I made I cannot memorize it. So if I made this video in Bangla language, I'll try to mention link in the description box. So no problem, you can watch. So most probably I have made in English language, most probably. So yeah, so when you create an account, you have to release your song. So in the next video I'm trying to show you that how do you release your song worldwide, and I have already discussed that how long time we have need to release our song worldwide via RouteNote. So I have already discussed. So if you watch that video, it will be very helpful for you if you have already account on RouteNote. So that's it. And the international music distribution mean your song or your voice, it will be released Facebook, YouTube, CapCut, Instagram, Apple Music, Deezer, Spotify, YouTube Music, or etc. So it's a better benefit. I have some of song I have already released, but some of song are not released on Facebook. I don't know why they're not released my song on Facebook. So whatever, I don't have any problems, but I try to figure out this problem, that why they are not release my song on Facebook. And I have some song, and if you search on your when you try to giving story and upload reels or etc. So if you search my name Bokther Galib, I add the spelling on my screen, and or BGS tune or Bokther Galib in Bangla, so you can get my song and social media apps, no problem. But my every song are not released there. I don't know why. So whatever, I don't have any pain about this matter. So I hope you understand that what is the international music distribution site and how you distribute. So when you, and here is the problem, so you have I'll be discussed in the next. So you have to be authentic person, authentic singer, or you are not authentic singer, and this song are already published by another singer or another musician. So you have to be add there have a license ID, you have to be add there. So firstly, so whatever, when I making tutorial that how to release or how to upload song on RouteNote, so I'll be show you that inshallah when I make this video. Okay, I already have passed 6 minutes. Oh my god, it's nearby 7 minutes. Okay, and don't forget to thumb on like, comment and share button, and don't forget to share this video with your friend. Hopefully it will be very much helpful for your friends if they want to making themselves as the international singer. Okay, something dirty on my ear. Okay, you're see you in the next. Assalamu alaikum.